Now that we have installed VS Code, this is the welcome screen you will see. So let me close this, and you can see this is the structure of my folder where I'll be working. So let me create this project files where I'll be working on. I'm going to go to desktop. Let me create a folder here. I'm going to call this as HTML. And the best thing is you can actually use your VS Code to create folders and files. So you can go to your VS Code, and you can see on the desktop we have this HTML. So what I can do now is I can go to File, Open Folder, and from there in the desktop I can choose HTML and select folder. Now what happened is now my project location is changed from desktop to my HTML folder itself. So here I'm going to create a folder called lesson 1. Okay, and inside this I can create a file. So you can see these icons here. So this is going to be a new file option, this the new folder option, this is the refresh one, and this is the collapse folder. If you have too many files, you can collapse them. So the first file which you'll be working on is index.html. Now make sure that you have the .html selected. So if you don't have the .html selected, then you won't have that HTML file thing, you won't be able to launch that in the browser. So once you have this file selected, so what you can do now is you can right click here and you can copy the path, and now let's go to our browser, and in the browser, in the address bar, just right click here and paste the path and just hit enter, and you will have your document over here. So currently we can't see anything. That's because you have not written anything. So let's go back to our code editor and let's write something. I'm going to call this as hello world. Okay, let me save that and let's get back to our browser and hit refresh. Okay, we got hello world.